Well, up until recently, it appeared that the folks here in the Spokane City Council would be the ones most likely to act on evictions. That was, of course, until Governor Inslee's announcement that he was enacting a policy statewide. Here in Spokane, the policy announcement was met with gratitude from tenants and landlords alike.
I'm very relieved for the tenants in Spokane who have been calling our office and who are very worried about what would happen in April if they're not able to pay their rent.
Extremely pleased with the governor's decision today.
In fact, even before this, the local landlord association was asking its members not to evict tenants, recognizing lots of people are facing financial hardship with hundreds already out of work because of the pandemic.
Those people need a place to stay. Finance should not be a reason for eviction.
The landlords were hoping for a few qualifiers on the moratorium, though. One, that it would have a definite timetable, after which the policy could be reviewed. Two, that it would leave room for landlords to evict tenants who were causing a health or safety threat. And three, that it would be consistent across jurisdictions.
It's got to be a regional or statewide philosophy. We can't have a double standard for the city of Spokane and the other municipal authorities in our area.
All three qualifiers were included in Inslee's order. Both tenants and landlords groups agreed there should be protections for property owners too.
I want to protect landlords too. I don't want them to lose their housing. If they lose their homes to foreclosure, then tenants don't have places to rent.
They got some help today from a federal order that bans foreclosures on many mortgages.
I think we'll all come out of it.
Both groups, often at odds over policy, said it's important that people work with each other during a time of crisis.
So this is really bigger than just a tenant issue. It's really about having secure housing and allowing people to stay safe and secured in their home when we have to be sheltered and distancing ourselves from one another.
Despite the order, Spokane City Council will still explore an expanded moratorium of its own, one that might fill in some perceived gaps in the statewide order, such as protecting tenants from evictions based on minor infractions in rental agreements.
I worry about, protecting everybody, and that it's very easy to find somebody in non-compliance if you take a magnifying glass to a rental agreement.
Also helping tenants, a recent Spokane court order freezing all in-process evictions. In Spokane, Casey Decker, KREM 2 News.